Do you want to make your LinkedIn post cleaner, easier to read, and more engaging? Bullet points are a great way to organize your content, but LinkedIn doesn't have a built-in feature for them. But no worries, I'll show you a quick and easy way to add bullet points and why they can boost your content. First, go to LinkedIn. Let's say you want to post something that needs a bullet point. Paste your text or type your text, then go to a browser, type bullet point symbol, click the symbol or highlight the symbol, and copy it. Now go back to LinkedIn, and you can now paste your bullet point. Adjust the spacing, and that's it. But if you want to have your text be in bullet point format, but in just a few clicks, there's another way to do it. So first, copy all the text that you want to have or you want to bullet point. Select all and copy. Go to your browser again and find type row. Paste your text here. Highlight them all. And go and find the bullet point icon. Click it. And there you have it. Your texts are now in bullet point in just few clicks. Now you can copy this and go back to your LinkedIn and paste your text. There you have it. Once your post looks good, hit post and watch how structured content improves engagement. People skim through posts quickly and long paragraphs can lose their attention. Bullet points help break down information, making it easier to read, more professional, and more likely to get engagement, especially from busy professionals scrolling through LinkedIn's. And that's it. A simple way to improve your LinkedIn post and make your content stand out. If this helped, drop a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more LinkedIn hacks. See you in the next one.